Some applications like Photoshop allow you to record your actions and replay them later. For example, in Photoshop, we have this actions palette. We have a number of predefined actions. One of them is wood frame. With this, we can put any image inside a wooden frame. So if you expand this, you can see this action involves a number of steps or sub-actions. We can replay this action on any document, and here's the result. So this document is now wrapped inside a wood frame. Implementing these scenarios is super easy using the command pattern. Let me show you. So in this project, let's add a couple of commands. One of them is the resize command for resizing an image. This class should implement the command interface. Now in the execute method, we simply print resize. Let's create another command. We add a new class called black and white command. With this, we can apply a black and white filter to an image. So we have it implement the command interface. And over here, we print black and white. Now let's say we want to have the ability to record users' actions. So we want to create a new command, but this command is going to be a little bit different from the other commands. It's going to be a container for multiple commands. So when we execute this command, it's going to execute all of its parts. Let me show you. So in this package, we add a new class called Composite command. Now this class should also implement the command interface. Now here in the execute method, we're going to execute each command that is included in this composite command. So over here, we need to declare a list of commands. List of command. Let's import the list interface. We call this field commands and set it to a new array list. We also need a method for adding commands to this object. So public void add. It takes a command object and simply adds it to our list. Now, in the execute method, we're going to iterate over all the commands in this list and execute them one by one. So for each var command in commands, we're going to call command.execute. That is how we create a composite command. And with this, we can record users' actions and replay them later. Let me show you. So we go in our main class. Here we create a composite object, new composite command. Let's say the user presses the record button and performs two tasks. First, he's going to resize an image, and then he's going to apply a black and white filter. So we record these actions inside our composite object. So we call composite.add. Here we pass a resize command object. Then we call composite.add and pass a black and white command object. Now later on, we can replay these commands. So we call composite.execute, and this is going to execute each command one by one. Take a look. So we have these two messages, resize and black and white. We can replay this multiple times. There you go. So because we're representing each task using a command object, we can combine these commands inside a composite object and re-execute them later on.